Make sure to stay till the end. It could be something completely different that most people never think about it, guys, and if you don't do it right, you may just waste your money. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, guys. If you have one of those, you have check engine light on and code P0020. Stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that code. Some of those things could be something that most people never think about, guys. So make sure to stay till the end. And it could be something that is completely different, and if you don't know about it, you may just keep wasting money to fix your problem. So let's explain what can cause that code P0020 now. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So specifically 2018 Dodge Challenger that we have here. So we'll open the hood. What we did here, we removed the intake hose right here, the resonator. And by removing it, we'll be able to see the engine more openly, and we'll be able to show you guys what we have specifically here. That's a V6 engine, means you have two cylinder heads. That's cylinder head number 1 and 2, also known as bank 1 or bank 2. The engine computer practically treats these two cylinder heads like separate engines, so we can adjust things on each one of those. And on each cylinder head that's on bank 1, you have two camshaft position actuators and 2 on the bank 2 as well. We removed one of them, it's right here, but you can see that's on the intake side, that's on the exhaust side. If you have code P0020, that relates to intake camshaft position actuator right here. Things that can cause that code, often it could be contaminated wire connector with engine oil, connector that's not plugged in, or damaged wire. Number 2, guys, it could be malfunctioning camshaft actuator. We have a video how to test camshaft actuator on Dodge. Check it out, it will teach you how to do that. Number 3, it could be something completely different. For instance, that actuator will go in and out, okay, and as a result, guys, it will what it will do, it will push that here, and it will change the oil passages inside the variable camshaft sprocket, and that will change the timing. But you have multiple oil channels, and if you have dirty engine oil, contaminated engine oil, don't have the correct viscosity of engine oil, all that can cause malfunctions and get variable timing codes as well. And we recommend to always change the oil, use high quality oil filter, always change the filter. And before the oil change, we guys, what we'll do, we'll actually go for a leaky moly engine flush. Why? Because that thing is simply amazing. That flush, guys, I was a little bit skeptical until we used it ourselves on a Porsche Cayenne with 190,000 miles. It cleaned the engine really good, fixed BMWs with multiple variable timing codes. All we had to do, just do the flush, change the engine oil. We use leaky moly, it's a really good German oil as well. I've been using them for a while. We've been using them here at the shop, and it's amazing product. So change the oil, do the engine flush, and that can often take care of the problem, especially if it's in the camshaft sprocket, because otherwise you will need to remove valve covers, you will need to remove the timing chain in order to actually replace the variable timing camshaft sprocket. And that, guys, okay, is a few $1,000 job, or even if you're doing it yourself, it'll take you at least a day to do it, and you probably don't wanna, guys, do that, right? So try the engine flush first, clean oil filter, new phaser. If that doesn't fix the problem, okay, it's likely that you have a bad variable timing actuator there. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you want to see any specific videos on Dodge Challenger, drop a comment below, and we'll try our best if we have free time to make the video. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.